The Camon 16 official key specifications are finally here, and so far they are looking good. The Camon 16 will retain the punch-hole notch display, but now with a bigger 6.9 inches HD plus 720p screen resolution and a similar bezel cutout like the Camon 15. The punch-hole notch housing still retains a 16 megapixel selfie shooter. Moving to the back, it has a similar camera bump and cutout like the Camon 16 Premier. It is nice to see that TECNO has upgraded to a larger and better 64 megapixel camera lens, which will be capable of taking good pictures, but there is no ultra wide angle lens, and the other cameras are just a 2 megapixel macro lens, 2 megapixel depth lens and AI lens. The fingerprint sensor remains at the back. Overall, the front and back camera quality in the Camon 16 will be much better than the Camon 15, but it will not be as good as the Camon 16 Premier because there is no Sony IMX686 64 megapixel flagship camera sensor, and the image signal processor of the Helio G70 only supports up to 48 megapixel. It is so nice to see that the Camon 16 is powered by the Helio G70 gaming processor, which is a 100% upgrade from the Helio P22 in the Camon 15. This time, there will be a 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM version of the Camon 16, and the battery size remains the same large 5000 mAh capacity and comes with the dated micro USB port and a 10-watt charger in the box. The 10-watt charger and the micro USB port might be a deal breaker, but I hope TECNO surprises us with a very low price. The official prices are expected to start from $170 or 1299 rupees or 80,000 naira. The Camon 16 will be having 3 colors, which are the purest blue, cloud white and misty grey colors. Are you excited about this TECNO Camon 16 gaming smartphone? Kindly share your thoughts in the comment section below. Kindly subscribe and turn post notification on for my unboxing and full review video as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, remain humble and stay safe. Bye.